Can dogs detect ghosts, spirits, or hallucinations? One of the oldest and most persistent paranormal beliefs is that dogs have the ability to see spirits, ghosts of the dead, or even the angel of death. All of this is attributed to some kind of sixth sense that dogs are supposed to have. The belief that dogs are in tune with the spirit world, or have some sort of precognition that allows them to anticipate ominous events, is not just something from the distant past. It persists today. On YouTube, you can find dozens of video clips that supposedly demonstrate dogs alerting to the presence of some sort of spirit or ghost. These videos usually show a dog that seems to act frightened or skittish, or barks or whimpers, while staring into empty space where there is nothing to be seen. Howling is one of many forms of vocal communication used by dogs. Dogs howl to attract attention, to make contact with others and to announce their presence. Some dogs also howl in response to high-pitched sounds, such as emergency vehicle sirens or musical instruments, or even church bells. In broad daylight, this stray dog was observed howling in Donggongon, Penampang.